Welcome back to this mini course on building vision applications with OpenVINO. In the previous video, you built a Python application that could detect faces and emotion, and you were tasked to complete the full application. Face detection and emotion, yes, I am happy, and gender, yes, I am a male, and age, well, I'm a bit older than 25. Now, let's see the solution step by step. Please take a look at the previous videos to see how to set up and run the Jupyter notebooks. Please look at video number 6 for the full code explanations. We're using this function. Of course, you can do it much simpler. Download the model. You can basically just use OpenModel Zoo downloader. This is the model path. Converting the model if needed, you can use OpenModel Zoo converter instead. And we have an OpenVINO model compiled on the CPU. And we are using this function to download the 3 models from the OpenModel Zoo. Here is the face detection model, and the emotion detection model, and the age and gender model. Let's see how the age and gender model is being handled. I'm looking at the process faces function. The frame is the original image I'm processing right now, and I'm doing the following for each of the boxes, for each of the detected faces. These are the emotion model inputs and outputs, and the age and gender. Input image is basically a curve out of the original frame. You can see the coordinates. I gave it 10 more pixels to each side, as I found out that the gender model works much better when it has a hair, not only the minimal face. And here I'm basically resizing, reformatting the input image to fit the age and gender model input sizes. And inference, I'm using the model and grab the outputs into age and into gender. Looking at the model page, you can see that the age output is divided by 100. So I'll just multiply the result by 100. The gender is a 2 entries vector. So this is how to handle it. You can, of course, play with this threshold yourself. And presenting the text to the image. And that's all. I've explained the rest at video number 6. Just grab frame by frame from the video input and run face detection, and for each of the faces, run emotion, age, and gender detection. And it's working. Bring your own video, try it yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this mini course on vision applications using OpenVINO. If you'd like to see more, OpenVINO has tons of sample Jupyter notebooks for multiple usages. And look for my mini course for other usages. See you there. Thank you.